Hello everybody. This is a view out of my window. Does this look like America to you? This is where I live. Lot of green. So Mark and Noodles and them repeat lies from years ago that I debunked so many times. Stop it, Mark. Stop it. You're a scumbag. She doesn't live in Germany. I go live later in a few hours, couple of hours. Make sure you have the notifications on. And I have some things to recap and to address. As you can see, it's a wonderful day. I'm about to go outside. And here's the car, but I don't want to show it too much. So yeah, we will see each other later on. Bye. Look how beautiful this is outside. Yeah, I'm gonna go out, touch some grass. Hope you have a wonderful day. Till later. What are your thoughts? Please give a thumb up. Feel free to leave a comment, and we will see each other very, very soon. Bye.